Hi, I'm Bill Robinson. I'm here to talk about Diatomaceous Earth. Harris has several products using Diatomaceous Earth for killing bedbugs. I'm going to review with you how to best use the powder, including key areas for application, safety tips, and using the product with other common types of bedbug killers. Make sure to always read the label and follow directions. Before using this powder or any insecticide for bedbugs, you need to remove clutter from the area, wash and dry bed linens and any furniture covers. Next, remove the box spring and mattress from the bed and vacuum thoroughly. For more on these steps, see our video showing steps to eliminate bedbugs. Now let's focus on how to apply Diatomaceous Earth. If you're using liquid spray as a part of your treatment, which I would recommend, you'll want to make sure you apply this powder after the liquid has been sprayed and has had a chance to fully dry. The powder must remain dry to be effective. Diatomaceous Earth is a natural product. It's a desiccant. It kills bedbugs by breaking down the outer skin of the bedbug and causing dehydration. This powder has a mechanical action as opposed to a chemical reaction, meaning that the bedbugs die after they contact the powder rather than ingest it. The powder takes up to 72 hours to kill a bedbug after initial contact. So be patient and know that Diatomaceous Earth is not an immediate kill. When applying, coat a thin layer of powder in areas such as mattresses, baseboards, and behind electrical outlets. For a full list of approved areas for application, see the product label. Again, make sure you're not over-applying. A light dusting is all that is needed to kill bedbugs. Harris Diatomaceous Earth Bedbug Killer comes in 3 sizes: an 8-ounce puffer bottle, a 2-pound bag, and a 4-pound bag. The 2 and 4-pound sizes include a powder duster, which provides a few benefits over the 8-ounce puffer bottle when applying. The puffer with extension nozzle allows you to go deep into cracks and crevices and wall voids. We also find this device to work great when it comes to getting a light dusting to cover a large area. Finally, I'll finish with the most commonly asked questions we get about this product. First, is this product effective against resistant bedbugs? Yes. Diatomaceous Earth, as mentioned earlier, works through mechanical action and will kill bedbugs that have built up resistance to a traditional pyrethroid insecticide. Second, how long does it take to kill bedbugs? The powder can take up to 72 hours to kill bedbugs after initial contact, but it may work sooner than that. Just be patient here, as it may take time for the bugs to make initial contact with the powder you've spread. Third question is, how long is the residual and is reapplication necessary? Diatomaceous Earth will remain effective indefinitely as long as it's kept dry. There's no need for a reapplication.